Hey guys, welcome back to Explore More. So today the website that I have taken for you guys is Shaw Academy. So now Shaw Academy is a website which is offering a lot of courses for you guys wherein you get 4 weeks free. And the best part is that these are globally recognized courses and you can cancel them anytime you want. So you could just experience how the courses are, and then if you feel that they are really interesting and intriguing and you want to continue, then you can pay and access the course further, or else you can leave the course if you feel that it is not that interesting. So you get to try it, and then if you want to complete the whole course, you can pay and then access it. So now coming to the type of courses that they offer. So these are some popular courses that they're offering, such as graphic design course, professional photography course. So there are a lot of courses, a variety of courses that they're offering. And also the best part is that, these are so many courses that you can actually, even if you don't want to do it professionally, you can just explore these courses just for fun. Just if you want to have, you want to add more skills to your resume, you can opt for these. And these are amazing courses. So you just name it and you get it. So there's a lot of courses, you can check them out. So you have fashion design, professional diploma. You can actually view all the courses. You can click over here and you can view all the courses, and you can also see how many graduates have been there, like how many people have actually done this course and already completed it and have earned a certificate for the same. So if I'll just show you what kind of courses they have. So they have courses in business. So there are different fields under which they have different courses. Then they have under photography. So a person who loves photography or wants to become a professional photographer can opt for the courses under this particular field. Then you have beauty courses, you have design courses, then you have finance courses. There are a variety of courses, as I mentioned before, to opt for. So you can go for whichever course you like or you have interest in. So these are amazing courses, and guys, I'm definitely recommending you guys to opt for these, because I myself have enrolled for a course. I've already completed a course before, and like it has been like 2-3 months I've completed a course, and I felt a need to tell you guys also about this website, because it has been an amazing journey and I got to learn so much, because I really enjoyed doing this course, and also because I got a few weeks to actually explore the course for free. I was able to understand whether I actually wanted to do the course, like I wanted to complete the course or not. So you can also do that. You can opt it for 4 weeks free, and then you can choose whether you want to continue it or not. Now I'll just come to my dashboard and I'll show you. Now also I've enrolled for one of the courses. So I'll just show it to you. So if I go on this course, I'll just go to my home. I'll show you. So see, so when you come over here, you just click on continue learning. So you can choose your time slots, whether you want, like on what day you want to have your course, when do you want the classes to happen, and you can actually choose the time as well. So what timing would you prefer? Like if I'm choosing Saturday, then what time? If I'm choosing Wednesday, then what time? And you can see your certifications over here. So I won't say that you straight away buy the course. First you try it yourself, and if you feel that these are good courses, because you're getting 4 weeks free, so you have the whole option to start the course. And I'm not saying, and I know that these are really expensive for you guys. It is definitely expensive, but it is totally worth it. You get so many resources, you have quizzes, you have assignments. So there are a bunch of things which are packed into this course which you won't get if you go out. You actually get it for more than this, so you'll actually have to pay more, and also you won't get any free classes with the same. So you're getting free classes, and especially you're getting it at a very, very, very minimized rate. And I am not kidding, because I have seen other websites and I have seen the kind of courses that they give. It is not that good, or that kind of, you won't say they are worth it. So yes, if you get it for free, then obviously you somewhere there's something is lacking. So here you're getting it for free for 4 weeks, and then you have to pay, and it's totally worth it. So you should definitely try it. So you can see how you have to schedule this whole thing. So you can just straight away log in. So I've already logged in. So you can just log in, create your ID, and then you can access whichever course you want to for 4 weeks for free. And then if you feel you really want to do it, or you really find it interesting and beneficial, then do continue it further. So this is how it all looks like. So you have summary notes, then you get webinar slides, you also get bonus lessons, and you also have a starter pack, which is totally free of cost. So this is really great, and I'm definitely recommending you guys to opt for this and enroll yourselves right now in whichever course you want. You can actually enroll for two, like you can apply for 2 to 3 courses or more than that. however you want to. And do try it. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like the video if you really like the content that I share with you guys. If you have any suggestions, any comments, anything you would like to ask or suggest, you can write it down in the comment section. Do share it with your friends who you think might need it. And lastly, do subscribe to our channel so that I can always update you guys with whatever new I find, whatever things I find, or things I do when I find it interesting and I find a need to recommend it to you all. So do subscribe to my channel so that you always remain updated and you always get the things which are best for you.